Well, joining us in the kitchen today, we have Stuart Laws. Welcome to Fresh TV.
Thank you.
So today you're cooking something a little bit different for us.
Yeah, so at Don Tupper we do South American Asian tapas, but you know, I've been doing that for a while now and I just wanted to really focus a little bit more on some Mediterranean, Middle Eastern style food.
So what cut of lamb do I need to get for this?
So we're after a nice piece of boneless leg lamb.
All right. Well, I'll hop down and get all the ingredients we need and I'll see you here soon.
Excellent.
So Stuart, we're cooking this lamb in a sous vide method today.
Yep.
What would you like me to do?
Okay, well what you can do is you can make the dressing for me, all right? Some Australian yogurt,
Yep.
some organic tahini. I'm going to use this shamula.
And shamula is?
Shamula is a North African spice rub. I've marinated this, I'm going to tie it up and then I'm just going to wrap it around. So now we've got a nicely tied piece of meat and you put it in the bag, pop it in the fridge. Okay, so next morning, out of the fridge, and you're going to put it into the water bath and you're going to do it slowly, all right? 6 hours to 8 hours on 52 degrees. Go to work, come home, dinner's ready. Now we're going to make a lovely fresh salad here. Rough chop of some parsley. We've got our tomato, our capsicum, our cucumber, some lemon, and some lovely West Australian olive oil. Doesn't get any better than that. All right, so now our lamb has been in here for 8 hours. You've been at work for 8 hours. Now we're going to open our bag. Have a smell of that.
Beautiful.
Oh. Got a little bit of this Egyptian dukkha here. All right, now this is your next job.
Right.
You get to roll that in there.
Okay.
Now we're going to pan fry it.
Right, am I using our tweezers?
You can use the tweezers,
Oh,
of course.
thanks.
Now I like this because you get more control.
Yeah.
A little bit of olive oil in the pan. Oh,
There it
fantastic.
goes.
Beautiful. Is we just need to seal it, all right? Because it's already cooked. Cool, ready to go. Look at this, fantastic.
Oh, love the
Good
dukkha
colour,
crust.
a little
Yep.
bit of dukkha on there. And we're going to snip off those little bits of string. Now we're just going to slice through it. Look at that. All of it, get it all on there. Going to do a nice little drizzle over that lamb. Make yourself a little kebab. Cool, well that's
Okay.
that.
All right, cool.
Nice
Let's
and
try it.
simple.
Thank
Okay,
you.
let's go.
Stuart, this looks beautiful. What wine have you chosen to go with this one?
I've chosen the stunning Millbrook Estate Vermentino. It is so good. Look, I'm not going to hold back. I'm going to get in there. Now this should be nice and tender. It's been sous vide,
Yeah.
8 hours.
Mmm.
The flavour should all be in there.
That is awesome.
But think about it. Bit of lamb in the pitta,
Yeah.
bit of salad. You've got yourself a kebab.
Stuart, thank you very much for joining us. This is beautiful.
Thank you for
Cheers.
having me.